Click on the link below to get price. The Aipas F3 Electric Bike stands out as an impressive option for adults seeking an exhilarating ride combined with practicality. With a peak power output of 1500 W, this e-bike delivers a robust performance that makes it suitable for a variety of terrains, whether you're navigating city streets or tackling more challenging paths. One of the most striking features of the Aipas F3 is its powerful motor. The 1500 W peak motor provides ample torque, allowing the bike to reach impressive speeds quickly. This feature is particularly beneficial for those who wish to commute efficiently or enjoy a thrilling off-road adventure. The bike's ability to deliver consistent power means you can tackle inclines with ease, making it a reliable choice for hilly environments. The bike is equipped with a 48V 12.8Ah lithium battery, which offers a commendable range. Depending on your riding style and terrain, you can expect to travel up to 40 miles on a single charge. This is perfect for daily commutes or weekend excursions, ensuring that you won't be left stranded with a dead battery. The charging time is also reasonable, allowing users to recharge during the workday or overnight. Comfort is another area where the Aipas F3 excels. The adjustable seat and ergonomic design contribute to a smooth riding experience, even on longer journeys. The suspension system absorbs shocks effectively, ensuring that bumps in the road don't detract from your ride. Coupled with anti-lock brakes for safety, the bike instills confidence in its handling. Aesthetically, the Aipas F3 sports a sleek and modern look that appeals to a wide audience. The integrated LED lights enhance visibility, making it suitable for night riding. In conclusion, the Aipas F3 electric bike combines power, comfort, and style, making it an outstanding choice for adults. Whether for commuting or leisurely rides, it delivers a thrilling experience that's hard to match in its category.